Hey y'all, it's Vicki giving you a shout out from Houston, Texas. Welcome back to day 3 of my 14-day Valentine challenge. So last year, when I was looking through the after Christmas sales, I came across this burlap bag that had candy in it. And I got it just because it was the bag, and I thought this is really going to be cute. I'm going to use it for something. So I've decided to go ahead and use it now for my Valentine decoration. It also came with this little black bow, but I decided that I want to kind of enhance this bow. So I've made an extra little bow that I'm going to attach. I will show you in a different video how I made this bow, but it's very simple as well. And I just used pieces of different ribbon that I had around the house. I also have this little metal heart that was on a picture from Hobby Lobby. I didn't like the picture they had, but I love the little metal heart. So I bought it and took it off. I also have this little wooden sparkly heart that came from Dollar Tree that I'm going to add. And then I also have a little piece of floral that I'm going to add to enhance the entire bag. So hopefully my video skills are clear enough that you can see what I'm doing. So first of all, I'm going to lay the bag down. I'm going to take this greenery, got kind of a little extra piece here that I'm going to wrap around. I just think greenery always just adds a little something extra when you're doing these projects. So I'm going to kind of just put it right here at the edge. Try not to burn my fingers, so it's going to be kind of sticking out the side. Need to let it rest just a minute. While it's resting, I'm going to take my little bow up a notch. So again, this was on the bag when I bought it. I was like, how lucky can I get? This was already basically pre-made for me. I'm then going to add it to my other little bow that's going to take it up a notch as well. Again, here we go with the glue. I got to be careful. So doesn't that make a cute little bow? Just extra little ribbon I had around the house. I just decided to put it on there, and that actually matched this little skinny ribbon that I had. I thought that was pretty cool. All right, so I think my other stuff is done. I'm going to put some more glue on this. I always like to put lots of glue so it will stick. So I put this over where the greenery was. Again, press it in. Keeping it nice and tight. Always have these little glue strands. I want to take that off. Then I'm going to take this little wooden heart that I had. You remember? Again, some hot glue on the back. Add it to my metal heart piece that I have here. It has actually a little glue button on the back of that, so it's actually going to kind of give it a 3D effect. So that's kind of cool. Again, here we go with the hot glue. I'm going to take it to here, and let me look at it this way so I make sure I'm getting it kind of even. Make it a little straight. Voila, my little Valentine bag. Have a great day. Be safe. Stay healthy.